So, good morning, grade 5. We will start with a new lesson, lesson 6.5. Now there is a question which I'm going to ask you, which will make you all clear. With the answer, it will make clear to you that how is the previous lesson related to this lesson. Bushra Ahmed? Bushra Ahmed?
I missed for being late because my brother was crying and.
Bushra Ahmed?
Miss, did you call me?
Yes, Bushra. Bushra, what did you learn in last lesson? Like example, you see two fractions. You see two fractions like this, and then
I learned to make them the same.
what did you learn in the last lesson? That first step, what do you make same? What do you look at?
The 10 and 2 same?
I look at the denominators. What do you look at?
The denominators.
And then what do I have to do to the
You multiply them?
What do I do? What is my main thing? Why do I multiply? Why do I? To make it
the same.
The same. This is what I want to hear from you. I want to make the denominator same. If they are same, after that, Rayana, what is the next step? If they are same, what do? I add or I minus what? Like example, Rayana. You see this here. Rayana. If I see here like this, what do? Bushrat said that you need to make the
3 times 3.
Yeah, you need to make the denominator same. Plus, I got. And then what do? If it is plus, I will plus
them. The numerator.
Plus all of them?
No, just the numerator.
Excellent. Is this clear to everyone in this class?
And same
Does
as
everyone know about it?
Miss also adds the subtraction.
Yes.
The minus
It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same because previously, as I was saying, you don't use the fraction strip. I taught you. I was making you perfect in this so that you learn how to do the next lesson. Now, Malia bought shell beads and glass beads. Malia bought shell beads and glass beads to weave into the designs. Do you all like to weave? You know what's the meaning of weave?
What?
Do you know the meaning of weaving? Weaving.
No.
Like example, I can weave a sweater. I can weave, can you see this band? When you just put the shells in the thread and you try to make a band, we call it as weaving into designs in her basket. Now do you get it? Okay. So she wants to weave into designs, different glass beads to weave into designs in her basket. She bought 1 4-pound of shell beads. How many shell beads she bought? 1 4-pound of shell beads and 3 8-pound of glass beads. The shell beads were 1 4-pound and the glass beads were 3 8-pound. How do you do them? How do you add them? Girls, leave about everything. Leave about all of this. Just say me. First step, okay, let me call out your names. Let me call out your names, 1 minute. Because in the question they wrote here that underline the question you need to answer. What question I need to answer here? How many pounds? The question I need to answer is how many pounds of beads did she buy? Please underline this. Page 375, write today's date, 30/12, and underline this. How many pounds of beads did she buy? And what is given? This is given. So this you need to circle it. She bought 1 4-pound of shell beads and 3 8-pound of glass beads. So now if I add them, girls, you know that what is the common denominator? 8. I can make this 8, right? Girls, page 375. Girls, I don't go with this way. I just go with like 8 times. I don't go with this way actually. This way, just put a cross mark. I don't go prefer with this way, girls. Yes, Rayana? Put a cross mark, girls, to this way or just strike it out. We will not do this way. We will do this way.
Miss, can I do that another way?
Yes, that's what how I taught you. 1 time 4 plus 3 by 8 means how do you make them same? By multiplying with?
What times?
Yes, I can't find what page it is.
Girls, I am repeating the page number 375.
Okay.
Girls, any new method you will be confused. Do you understand this method, what I'm showing you here?
Yeah.
So when you plus them, 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8, what is your answer? When you plus them, 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8, what is your answer? Lean, what is the answer? 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8. What is your answer?
I know.
Yes, Rayana?
Equal 5 over 8.
Excellent. So my answer is Malia bought 5 over 8. Any questions? Anybody who don't get it?
No. Can I ask you something, Amos? Miss?
Yes, Leon?
Can I ask you something?
Yes.
Is this lesson like the same previous?
Yes, exactly the same lesson, yes.
Oh, because well, these ways it's confusing me a lot.
Confusing you? This one?
No, I understand the lesson, but when I go to this this way, it confuses me. But I understand the lesson.
Yeah, this, you know, if you write in boxes and everything, that's why I wrote a separate note here. Okay?
Okay.
Lean, why are you quiet today, Lean? What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, fine. I was just trying to look for my pencil.
Okay, and how about Leanne Hazim? Even she's quiet today.
I don't know about her.
Leanne
Because
Hazim,
when she wakes up, she's usually quiet.
she's not here around.
Excuse me, Dean. I have ears that can hear you.
Oh, sorry. I thought like
She doesn't have the right to say that about me.
No,
Teacher,
no.
she
sorry, but
have the right to say that
I
about
did
me.
not.
Pardon?
Yes, guys.
You don't have the right to say that about me.
I did not hear what
didn't say
Lean
anything
said.
bad.
1 minute, one
She
minute.
said that she's usually crying and she does not have the right
No,
to
I
say
didn't
that
say
about
crying.
me.
How in the world did I say crying just now?
Lean, I did not hear that.
Crying.
Lean, I did not hear that. Leanne Hazim, I'm sorry, girls. I just called out your name. And Lean, I did not hear you saying that she's crying. If I would have heard, I will definitely stop you to say that, okay? Now, please, girls, relax. We all are friends. We cannot overreact. Leanne Hazim, I'm sorry on her behalf. She did not say you like that.
Yeah, let's say another
Never
word.
saw-
Yes. Crying is not. Leanne
Teacher, can I leave in the
Okay,
Leanne
anyways, girls,
said that
girls,
maybe they
listen.
didn't hear us.
Okay, girls, can I get back to my class, please?
Yes, miss.
Yalla. Did you all write this?
Yes, miss. But can I ask you something?
Miss.
Let me go to the next page and then you can
Yeah,
ask
but
me.
here in the 8th
Wait, I'm not
done. But it's so.
Miss.
1 minute, give me a moment.
What was the number? I don't remember.
Miss.
I need to write it again. Wait a minute. This is
I was gonna say-
1 times 2 and 2, 8, 3, 8. When you plus them, it is 5, 8. Your answer is 5, 8.
Excuse
Yeah.
me, miss.
Yes, Lean. Yes, Lean. Shh.
Sorry to interrupt, but is this like 2 or a 1 or a 3?
Yes, it is 2. You will multiply the same number in the numerator and denominator. Yalla, girls, be quick.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna ask you something.
Yes, sure.
Is 12 a common number because it's in table 2 and 3, 4, and 6 and 1.
12.
Yeah.
Did they ask anything about 12 in this question?
No, but I just wanted to ask
Let's
is 12
see.
a common
You
number?
have to know that 12 is a common number of what? There have to be two numbers to compare. I cannot just say like 8 is a common number. No, you have to compare with 6. Yes, it's a common in 6. Because 6 times 2 is 12 and 12 times 1. You have to compare two numbers together to judge whether it's common or not.
And also 12 is with 4 and 3.
Okay, yalla girls. Next page, 1 minute. Let us go to next page and see if you have such question, Yarayana. Yalla, Rudaina. Rudaina,
Yes.
what do I do? I have 9 over 10 and 2 over 5. What should I multiply to make them same? 9 over 10 will be same 9 over 10. But 2 over 5, how should I do? I will change it to? Like, see, it's this kind of question, girls. 2 over 5. What should I do, Rudaina, to 5? Rudaina,
Yes.
please answer, sweetie. See, I have 9 over 10 and 2 over 5. How do I make them same? 10 and 5. How do I make them same? What do I multiply to 5?
You do 10.
5 times 2. See, Rudaina, this is 10 and this is 5. How do I make this 5?